Hello student, how are you? So it is the subtraction part 3. I already uploaded part 1 and part 2 of subtraction. In this part, especially we will learn rounding of numbers. After this lesson, we will be able to estimate or round a numbers. It will help us to estimate addition and to find out the difference and to find out the sum of any two numbers. So let us begin our class. First of all, can you count how many people are there in this picture? Certainly not. But we can estimate or approximate. Estimate means what? Say, we can say that without counting, we can tell that there are 50 people. Yes or no? So this is called estimation or approximation. What is rounding of a number? Doing the estimation or approximation involves rounding of numbers. Now see an example. 99 can be rounded to 100. 72 can be rounded to 70. 101 can be rounded to 100. 31 can be rounded to 30, and so on. 19 can be rounded to 20. So it is a poem, the rounding poem. It will help us to round certain number. Okay, the poem is what? Find your number. That means it is the steps of rounding of numbers. First of all, we have to find our number. Look right next door. 4 or less, just ignore. Ignore means what? Just leave it alone. Okay, nothing to do. 5 or more, add 1 more. So we will add where this 1 we will learn or we will understand in our next example. So this is the question. Round 98 to the nearest 10. First of all, we will write the 98 like this. Then we will remember our poem. What our poem says. Find your number. Find your number. So which one is the number? Either 9 or 8. To find that out, we have to look for the question. You see the question. Round 98 to the nearest 10. That means 10th place we have to find it out. Here, which is the 10th place? 9. So after getting our number, we have to look right next door. Next door means what? Next number. Next number is what? 8. You see the third line of the poem. 4 or less, just ignore. Is it 4 or less? No, 8 is not 4 or less. In fact, it is more than 5. According to the fourth line, 5 or more, add 1 more. Since 8 is more than 5, we will have to add 1. Okay, where we will add this 1? Right? We have to add this 1 in the number 9. Okay, if you add 1 with this number 9, then it will become what? 10. But what about the 8? What will happen to 8? Remember, after the number, that means which one is the number? Number 9. Number 9 is our number. After that number, all the number will become 0. Nothing to do it. Okay, just replace the numbers after our number. After our number, we will replace all the digits, all the numbers to 0. Like this. 8 will change to 0. So 9 will change to 10 and 8 will change to 0. So 98 has already become 100. So our answer is 98 is rounded to 100. So this is the first example. Let us see one more example. Round 42 to the nearest 10. First of all, we will write the 42 like this. Okay. Then we will remember our poem. Find your number. Which one is the number? Our number. Either 4 or 2. We will look for the question. We'll look for the question. In the question you will get round 42 to the nearest 10. So 10's place digit is which one? 4 is 10's place or 2 is 10's place? The 2 is 1's place and 4 is 10's place. Okay, so our number is 4. Then we will look right next door. Next door means next number is 2. 4 or less, just ignore. Wow, this 2 is less than 4. Yes or no? This 2 is less than 4. So we'll have to ignore. That means 4 will not change to any. That means 4 will remain 4 itself. Understood? And what will happen to 2? Remember students, I already have told you, after the number, our number is in here 4. So after that 4, all number will change to 0 only. Okay, in this way. So 42 has become 40. So our answer is 42 is rounded to 40. Have you understood? Have you understood? Round 342 to the nearest 10. So you can see here, first I have written the number 342, then the number, that means 10's place. In here the 10's place is number 4. Okay, so after that 4, what is number? 2. So 2 is less than 4, yes or no? 4 or less, just ignore. So if it is 4 or less than 4, just ignore. That means 4 will remain 4 and 3 will remain 3 and 2 will change to 0. In this way 342 has changed to 340. So our answer is 342 is rounded to 340. Let us see one more example. Round 2576 to the nearest 10. So to the nearest 10, that means we have to find our number. Our number will be 1's and 10's. That means our number is 9. Okay, now you see the next door, that means 6. Okay, so 6 is more than 5, yes or no? 5 or more, add 1 more, that means 6 is more than 5. So we'll have to add 1. Where we will add the 1? In the number 9. So 9, if you add 1, then it will change to 10. All other number will remain same. 2 and 2 is remaining, 5 is remaining 5, but 9 has changed to 10 and 6 has changed to 0. So in this 10, this 1 will go to here, like the sum, like the addition. Okay, this 1 will go to 5. So 2 is remaining 2, but 5 will change to 6, because with this 1 it will become 6 and 0, and it is also 0. So 2596 is rounded to 2600. Okay, let us see one more example. Round 1458 to the nearest 100. This time our place is 100. So we will go for the 100 place, 1's place, 10's place, 100 place. 100 place is 4 here. Okay, we will see the next number. Look right next door. Next door is what? It is what? 5. According to the point, if it is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 more. If it is 5 or more than 5, it is 5. Yes or no? So we have to add a 1 in this number. So 4 will change to 5, and a 1 already 1 will not change to any number. 1 will remain same, and a 5 will change to 0, and this 8 will change to 0. So in this way 1458 is rounded to 1500. Have you understood? So this is the end of the video. Hope you have understood what is called rounding of a number. And one more thing I want to urge to the parents, that download the PDF from the description link. In the description link I am providing the PDF of this video. It will help your students, or it will help your children to learn it better. Thank you for watching.